everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, hi everybody, hello my sweet peeps. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. I hope your week is off to a great start. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, my family and I got hit really hard with the virus, really hard. But I'm feeling so much better. Angela's feeling so much better. And my dad is getting there. It's still lingering. He kind of got it a little bit harder than the rest of us. Angela being so young, it didn't hit her as hard. Me, it was pretty bad. For 2 weeks straight, I would say it was pretty bad. And Dad's still, still lingering and stuff. We got the test, so it did come back positive. So it definitely is the virus. And yeah, what can we do? It happens. I mean, it was a matter of time, I guess, that we got it. But now that we have it, we were told that we're kind of immune to it, so nothing will bother us ever again, which is really good. So I'm really happy about that, and that's what the doctors advised us and everything. And I'm cleared to go out because I've passed my 14 days and stuff like that. So she said I'm not contagious anymore, so I can try and resume regular life. And that's what I'm gonna do. So speaking of regular life, I thought today, you know what, Bella? No time like the present. Let's get back to decorating. I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. I have wanted to do a live and give you an update as what was going on. But every time I was ready to do a live, I kind of felt really lethargic and really weak. So I didn't want to come on and be all like sad and stuff and, you know, get you guys down or anything like that. I wanted to be positive and upbeat for you guys and tell you that things are good. Things are okay. It happened. There's nothing we can do about it. Thank God it wasn't, nothing bad happened. My family and I are generally very healthy people. So we combated the virus to the best of our abilities. It did all the right things. The soups, the liquids, the resting and all that. So if you're worried about the virus, try not to be, unless you have some really severe comorbidity, then, take all the precautions you need. Make sure you keep yourself healthy, eat lots of vegetables and fruits, lots of vitamins. That will always help you, and try to get into good shape because that'll help also. The healthier we are, the better we can combat anything that is thrown at us. So anyways, in saying that, today I'm back. I'm happy. I missed you guys so much. Okay, so Dad and I started the wall unit way before we got sick. And then, we finally it into the house, but then it got sick. I couldn't show any of this stuff. So I'm going to show you the before of the wall unit. How it was before. It was all very dark, and it was a dark cherry color stain, and then we stained it, and I think I showed this in another video, but here it is. I'm going to show it to you when we got it into the living room, and I love it. I love the color. It's a really nice mushroomy cream color, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something very neutral, a color that was going to last the test of time, and that will go with lots of different decor, because I love to switch up my decor. You guys know that. And I think this is going to look amazing in the fall. The color for the fall is amazing. And I cannot believe I'm saying fall in the dead heat. But anyways, okay, so are you guys ready? Let's get to some decorating, and I'll be back with my final words. Okay, sweet friends, let's start here. So as you can see, we finally painted the wall unit, and I just wanted to give you a once over so you could see all the details and see how many shelves there is, because I've never really shown this before. I had it in a part of my house where I just never showed it, and now that we're here in this house, I really wanted to use it and showcase it. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And this is another thing I can tell you, is not to be afraid to change out your old furniture, because you can always give old furniture a new and fresh look with new handles and a new stain or new paint. This is actually a semi-opaque stain, and here I'm just showing you where I have the TV and all the components of the TV and stuff. Okay, let's get to decorating. I purchased all this blue and white decor, this blue and white pottery, ginger jars and stuff like that. And I was like, oh my God, I have got to use them. I was really, really excited to use them, but too much of a good thing is too much of a good thing sometimes. And what I'm doing here is what the look that I want to achieve is that I've had these pieces for many, many years, and that this is a collection that I've had. That's what I want to evoke. And I want to mix in white because I like to break up the blue with a little bit of white. And I think it's going to make it look more interesting. Sorry about my throat. I guess my voice is still a little crackly from being sick. But I'm adding pieces that are transitional, timeless, and kind of unexpected. And I love this like chippy stuff with something so formal as the blue and white. I just think it's going to look so good together. And when you see it all together, you'll understand the look I'm going for. I'm going for an old world look, and that's what I really, really, really want. I always like to use something unexpected like plates. And this kind of cut down on me buying more ginger jars and more blue and white. And I just thought I'd mix in some plates and blue and white plates that I purchased. Sorry, you can have my arms in the way. I'm just positioning some books. And when I sat back and looked at this carefully, I thought the books did really need to be covered. So I'm going to get some paper and I'm going to cover the books up. But I have this really nice stoneware bowl. And I just added a big giant green topiary ball and this really amazing candle from Hobby Lobby. Guys, I love these candles from Hobby Lobby. I love the shape of the jars and the quality is so good. And here you see me doing the opposite. So on the one side, I started with ginger jars and ended with plates. But on this side, I'm starting with the plates on top and I'm going to end with ginger jars just to give it some interest and some dimension, and so that you notice all the objects on each shelf. It just makes it makes the vignettes more interesting that way. And this is a little copper pomegranate, and it's been told to me that if you have a little pomegranate in your house, it brings you good luck. I guess it's an old world thing. Who knows? I was told that many, many years ago, so I've always kept that little pomegranate somewhere in my house for good luck. And here you can see again, I'm adding the ginger jars with some little chippy birds. And the birds are so nice because it has such nice architectural design to it. And then with a little bit of greenery fluffed around it, it really makes everything pop. And you just see each piece for what it's worth. And I like that. Not overcrowded, not undercrowded, just enough. And I love this one ginger jar. I think it's so beautiful. I want to use it as a centerpiece one day. I have an idea for it. So maybe in the fall we'll see that as a centerpiece. But right now I'm just going to put it in my shelves and enjoy them. If you're interested in knowing where these greenery picks are from, guys, these are from Hobby Lobby. Always buy these when they're on 50% off sale. They're a great investment. And here is the wall unit all done. I love it. Do you see the interest? There's so much interest with the blue and white, and it really pops against the color of the wall unit, and I'm really, really happy. The only thing I want to add to the wall unit is some stain. I'm going to add some antique stain just to make the carving pop out even more. And I also want to add some lights within the shelves. I think that'll make it look even better. But here's a full look of the wall unit all done. And now we got to work on that bottom part because I really don't know what to put down there. But I think lights, some light addition to this would be really nice in the evening. It'll make it look much nicer, I think, also. So I hope this gave you lots of inspiration and lots of ideas on how to, style some decor in your house, take an old piece of furniture and recreate it to something brand new. Okay, what do you guys think? It turned out really good, really, really good. So there's a few things that I still want to do. I still want to antique the wall unit. So I'm thinking of like an antique gel that I'm gonna put into the crevices just to bring the carvings out, like so they pop out even more. And I really like the handles from Hobby Lobby. So if you guys are refinishing a piece of furniture or anything, always check out your local Hobby Lobby because their handles, their knobs, their door handles and stuff like that are very, very good quality and very unique. Things that you can't find at Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff like that. So Hobby Lobby, very good. I'm really, really happy with the handles. And I think the decor turned out great. I really wanted to use the blue and white I bought. And I'm trying to add in more blue and white into my living room for summer and kind of my everyday look. This will be something I go back to. And I am going to incorporate fall into this. And I'm not sure yet how, but I want to incorporate fall into this look because I'd like to enjoy my blue and white as much as possible. So I hope it gave you guys lots of inspiration and lots of decor tips. I like the mix of the greenery with the white and the little birds and the books. But now, speaking about the books, I think I'm going to get myself some brown craft paper from Dollar Tree and cover the books so they're more neutralized. I think that would look really, really good. And I got to think of something to put on these bottom shelves. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic day ahead. I hope you do something you love in your homes. I've missed you guys so much. So leave me a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a big, big thumbs up. I want to know if you liked it or not, if it gave you some inspiration. And leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think I should change, what you think I could do different, or what you would do in your house, because I love hearing from you guys. Anyways, have a fantastic day, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. See you soon. Mwah.